My name is George Melton, and I'm going to be demonstrating my kinetic energy amplifier invention. I've made some test videos before, but this time I'm going to do it on a larger scale. I'm going to use a real electrical generator that looks like this. Okay, here is our 79cc gasoline engine connected to the kinetic energy amplifier, which I'll show you some more of that in a minute. This is an AC generator built for a work truck, but it'll do us just fine here since it's grounded to that battery. And this, of course, is the output from the generator. Now, as you can see, the driver assemblies on either side are removable. So we can test this apparatus with and without the drivers. To engage the magnets, I'll just close those doors, put that spring on there, and before I start it, I'll put that safety enclosure over it just to keep those bolts from flying out. Now, that is a 30 amp generator. This is a 79cc engine. We will try to get this engine to power that electric chainsaw. Now that chainsaw is 14 amps. So if you run the math, this engine should not be able to power that chainsaw by itself. And that's where we'll start our demonstration. Alright, according to the technical data of these components, the specifications of this configuration are like this. To turn at maximum output, this generator requires about 7 horsepower. Now, the manufacturers of this engine claim it's a 3 horsepower engine. At 79cc, it's probably more like 2 3/4. Still, not enough to get the 14 amps that saw needs to run. It would get 9 or 10 amps. So I'll start out by removing these drivers, engaging the engine, and seeing if it will run that saw. Now it should, even if it doesn't run that saw, run something like a 6 amp sawzall. So we'll start there. So here are the drivers removed and set aside. And now it looks like that. Now we'll reinstall the magnetic drivers so it looks like this. So even though it didn't run the saw with the magnets disengaged as we suspected, the ease with which it ran the sawzall tells us we're probably right on the money with our 9 or 10 amps. Now, after engaging the magnets, you could see that it did run the saw sustainably and could even cut a little bit. So we probably got 13, maybe 14 amps out of it. So this matches our 30-something% increase that we got on our smaller experiment. The magnet enhancement increased the efficiency of this configuration by a little over 30%.